Do you think making a cactus terrarium is hard? No, my friend, not at all. It's actually super easy. So stay with me until the end of the video. Hi friends. Today we are making a cactus terrarium in a glass jar. First we need to choose a light soil, so it won't be too heavy and the glass won't break. Like cocoa beet, it's light and perfect for cactus roots. Now let's plant the cactus with some space, so they have room to grow. And the terrarium looks more beautiful. For care, water very little, because cactuses store water inside. When the soil is completely dry, just give a small amount of water and place it somewhere with gentle, bright light. Cactus, other than beauty, it also cleans the air, releases oxygen at night, needs little watering, reduces stress, adds style to your home, boosts your focus. Now it's your turn. Have you ever made a cactus terrarium? Write your experience in the comments. Then we decorate around them with white stones to make it look clean and professional. Share this video with your friends so they can learn too. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Until the next videos, take care of yourself and your plants.